How to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to PS5. If you want to connect your PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi, go to your PS5's network settings, then select your Xfinity Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Enter the password associated with your Xfinity account, and then follow any on-screen prompts to complete the connection process. You may need to access a web browser on your PS5 to fully authenticate with your Xfinity account if prompted. Here are some key steps you can try out. Access PS5 settings. Navigate to your PS5 settings menu. Select Network, go to the Network section. Choose Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi, and then find Network. Select Xfinity Network. Find your Xfinity Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and select it. Enter password. Enter the password associated with your Xfinity account. Complete connection. Follow any on-screen prompts to finalize the connection and your Xfinity Wi-Fi will be successfully connected to PS5. Thanks for watching.